Good day, class. Our lesson for today is all about store supplies. Pavlova shells. Dessert consisting of a large meringue shell filled with cream and fruit. Just look at the picture. That is the example of Pavlova shell. Optimum. The point at which the condition, degree, or amount of something is the most favorable possible options or outcome. Perishable, spoiling easily. Perishable foods are foods that are likely to degrade, spoil, or become unsafe to eat if they are not consumed within a short time after purchase. Mishandled, example, left in an unsafe temperature for too long, or improper stored. These foods include milk, cheese, and other dairy products. Storing supplies. Once supplies are delivered, checked, and accepted, they need to be moved as quickly as possible to the appropriate storage area. This is to ensure not only that the delivery are remain clear, but the stock remains in optimum condition, and that it will be readily available for use. At the same time, supply levels of stock in storage need to be constantly monitored so that stock may be rotated and discarded as appropriate. In transporting supplies, supplies are usually transported to food and beverage establishments in delivery trucks or vans. Food stock that is to be stored in cool rooms, refrigerators, or freezer should be transported in refrigerated delivery trucks. This is to ensure that the food is kept at the correct temperature during transportation and delivery. In the delivery area, trolleys and lifting equipment are usually available to facilitate the transportation of supplies to the correct storage area. Thermometers are also usually located in the delivery area for use during delivery. Once goods have been checked and accepted by the enterprise, they are transported immediately from the delivery area to appropriate storage area. This needs to be done in the safest manner possible and without damage to the goods. The following table highlights particularly handling issues. Perishable. How to handle perishable. Wrap, seal, and label if required, and keep temperature constant and place as soon as possible into freezer or cold storage. Vacuum sealed heavy. Handle carefully to avoid damaging the seal. This is the example of vacuum seal. Delicate. Biscuits, breads stuck carefully, lighter items on top, or placed in a single layer on the meringue. Shell pavlova shell, completed dessert. How to handle stack carefully with the light breakable items on top and heavy items beneath and on lower shelves. Use trolley and lifting equipment to move items between and within areas. The sharp item. If a sharp object penetrates its packaging, it should be removed immediately to avoid an unsuspecting staff member being injured. 'Pag sinabing penetrate each packaging, yung mga supply na lumalabas na siya sa packaging niya, yung mga sharp object, kagaya na lang kapag may kutsilyo. Kapag yung kutsilyo is improper yung pagkaka-packaging niya, puwedeng lumabas yung talim ng kutsilyo sa packaging. Then magko-cause siya ng injury or accident sa magbubuhat nun. Storing supplies appropriately. Different types of supply require different types of storage. For example, some supplies are very expensive and need to be stored safely and securely. Liquor supply, electrical equipment, especially serving equipment, and linen are all types of stock that need to be stored in specific area, usually under lock and key. Refrigeration is for the short-term storage of perishable goods. Perishable foods are those which require either refrigeration or freezing to ensure that they do not spoil. They should also be clearly labeled that will be used first as per the FIFO rule. The FIFO is first in, first out. They include fish, seafoods, meats, poultry, dairy products, eggs, some fruits and vegetables, and some prepared foods. The temperature in a refrigerator should be kept below 5 degrees Celsius to maintain food at the optimum level for safety and quality. The food need to be wrapped and sealed to avoid loss of moisture. In storing for cool room, these are fresh cream, oranges, eggs, cheddar cheese, fresh whole snapers, vacuum packed beef tenderloin, fresh chicken breast fillet, 2-liter milk, sliced leg ham, pumpkin, and bacon rashers. In dry store, onions, sugar, bananas, olive oil, soy sauce, prepared breadcrumbs, spaghetti, canned tomatoes, potatoes, rice, and walnut halves. In freezer, calamari rings, frozen mini quiches, crumb green prawn cutlets, lamb racks for next week, and frozen turkey buffet. Labeling. This may not sound too important, but it is. You need a good system of labeling for many of your stock items, particularly frozen items, as many of these look the same. You should also label the shelves. Labels not only allow you to identify what the commodity is, but they also allow you to record information such as use by dates and suppliers' details. Fortunately, most commodities can be classified into one of three categories, making it easy to sort them ready to proper storage. The three categories are perishable, non-perishable, and semi-perishable. Let us remember, the temperature of the storage is an important factor in maintaining the good quality of stored food. Proper storage prevents loss of food spoilage. Okay, class, if you really understand our lesson, please bring out 1/4 sheet of paper and classify the items based on the storage area. Yung binasa ko kanina, merong cool room, dry storage, and freezer. Saan ilalagay yung fresh cream? Yung vacuum packed beef tenderloin, onions, rice, sugar, eggs, and frozen buffet. And for the identification part, answer the following. Number 1. Dessert consisting of a large meringue shell filled with cream and fruit. Number 2. The point at which the condition, degree, or amount of something is the most favorable possible options or outcome. Number 3. Spoiling easily. Give at least 3 examples of perishable food, non-perishable, and semi-perishable food. For number 4 to 6, perishable foods. For 7 to 9, non-perishable. 10 to 12, semi-perishable. For number 13, amount that escapes by leaking. 14, throw away. 15, extremely significant or important. 16, FIFO means. Okay, class, sinabi ko kanina yung meaning ng FIFO. If talagang nanood kayo, masasagot niyo yan. Good luck, class!